Welcome to Maker Monday's hand-rolled bead craft. For this craft, you'll need a kit from the library, a glue stick, preferably a rounded pencil. After you've gathered your supplies, come back and start the recording again. Your kit should have included a few beads, a string of yarn, and some triangular shaped strips of paper. Let's get started. First, you'll want to grab your pencil and your glue stick. I found if you take your rectangular piece of paper and put just a little bit of glue on the fat end side out that you want to show, we want the striped side to show and not the plain white one. Let's put a little glue on that. Okay. Now, our pencil. We want to carefully start wrapping that around our pencil. As it starts to go around where you've glued, that should start to stick. And you should be able to just go ahead and roll that up. As you get close to the end, we're going to want to put some glue on this so it'll stick as we finish rolling. Go ahead and roll that right up tight. You may want to hold it for just a short time. And slip it off your pencil. You've completed your first bead. If you want to continue to do that with the rest of the papers you have, that will create several beads for you. Once you finish that, go ahead and start the recording again. Now that you have your beads rolled, we can create a little design to make possibly a nice little necklace, or you could make a bracelet. So you'll want to design or figure out how you want your beads to be on your necklace. I'm thinking something kind of like that. Once you've kind of have them laid out, go ahead and start putting them on your yarn. If you start having a little trouble with your yarn, you could put a little piece of tape around the end of that to help it go through your bead a little better. Use a pencil to kind of help stuff it through. But you could wrap, like I said, a little piece of tape around the end. That will help to make that stiff so it'll work for you. Okay. In fact, it's probably a good idea to use a little piece of tape. So go ahead and string the rest of your beads, both your handmade ones and the ones that were included with your kit, Feel free to use other beads or things that you have at home to add to your necklace if you want. That would be great. Create your own design. And then once you have them strung the way you'd like them to be, maybe you want to see what kind of length you need to have it go around your neck easily over your head. You can go ahead and tie it off. There you go. You've completed your own little necklace using the handmade beads that you've just made. Congratulations. You've done a fantastic little project there. You could go ahead and make more paper triangles if you want at home. Use one of the papers that we sent with you as a pattern. Okay, please make sure and clean up after yourself when you've completed the project. And we do hope to see you soon at the library. Thank you. Some of the summer book titles that we have at the library include We Are the Gardeners by Joanna Gaines, and Then Comes Summer by Tom Brenner, Swim, Swim by Lurch, and A Day for Sandcastles by John Arno Larson. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you're having a wonderful summer.